Where do you want to go first?
We're in Okay, we're gonna start here.
Okay, we're in Great Wolf Lodge.
Whenever you're videoing, I'm the tour guide. Whenever I'm videoing, you're the tour guide. Okay, so up here is the tree house. Oh, and if you come far enough, there is a thing up there.
A raccoon. You wave your wand at it.
You put your wand on it and it's like, wee! Okay, and over here
There's story time.
Yeah, story time is over there. It's where these robot people, they just sing and stuff. Down there, I'll show you some stuff.
There's the
Let's go back down there.
cafe, cottage, whatever.
That's not Can I see the picture? So over here is story time.
This is story time. See, there's the owl, the tree, the stump, and I think a raccoon comes out of there. Doesn't a raccoon come out of that trunk?
Yeah, but it's in there right now.
There's a little boy, he's really scary. There's the moose. There's the little girl that sings. And there's the clock. And there's kids over there on TV watching. So,
Lego, which is Great Wolf Lodge made out of Legos.
it's really cool. You can even see the slides. So our room would be somewhere.
We're on the 8th floor, so it'd be the very top floor over here. Somewhere.
Wherever the little pond is. Oh, sorry.
The pond is not back there, but it's still back here. Okay, well, let's go look at something else.
You can even see little people.
Yeah, now we're gonna go downstairs.
This is our second day. Do you think we're allowed to go? Scoop Spa.
This right here just go directly in one line. Is the arcade.
And you get little cards.
You get little cards. We don't have them with us. You get little cards and we swipe them. We'll sit like this. Swipe them and it takes away 4 poppers. Some of them take 12. All kinds of things.
Okay, that was cool, I guess. Connect 4.
Thanks for the magic.
Trin. Is it right there?
That's like pizza. This is ice cream robots fun. Okay, let's go.
Ice cream.robot.fun. Ice cream robot fun.
This is a piece of case right beside.
I wish we had our cards, but I only have 8 left. Yeah, I do.
I remember we got more stuff on ours.
I know, but I did again, and now I have 8 left. Got that.
That was a tour. We'll see you later. Bye.